Let's build a content moderation function using machine learning and Nyckel. So on my Instagram account, I get tons of spam comments. You can see all these are basically spam comments. And if I was Instagram, I could write a machine learning function to actually identify and remove those. So let's do it right now with Nyckel. So I'm going to click login, click new function. This is a text classification problem. And it's just going to have two different output labels, not spam and spam. Now we need some training data. So I have a CSV here that is just basically a bunch of comments I downloaded from my Instagram. And you can see in this column is the comments. And then in this column is a column that I added to identify whether it's spam or not spam. These I manually annotated. I manually labeled these to train the function so that it can predict future unknown comments, whether or not they're spam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that file into Nyckel. And then it asks to select the input column. So I choose column 4 here. And that says select the output column, which is column 5. And this says first row contains column names. I'm going to check that to be true to remove that first column. And then I click import. So Nyckel has imported the data, and it's going to start training our first model. So there we go. Nyckel's trained, and it's 96% accurate. So now I can go over and click Invoke. And so let's go to one of my brand new comments. This is from Instagram here. So if I take this comment here and I paste it in there, that's a spam comment. And I click Invoke. And sure enough, it says spam with 71% confidence. If I say, hey, Jeremy, you rock, great account, and I click Invoke, that says not spam with 97% confidence. So I can even take this curl request here and go over to a terminal window, paste in the curl request, and you can see it's accessing this Nyckel.com API that was just created with our custom machine learning model. And sure enough, it says not spam with 98% confidence. I can go over, click API, and learn how to integrate it into my application. And there you go. That's how you create a custom content moderation machine learning function using Nyckel.